When the unexpected happens, such as cancellations resulting from weather conditions or an unpredicted massive rise in bookings, you must act immediately to streamline and automate operations, address peak loads, and maintain customer satisfaction. Real-time analytics and machine learning power business-critical services with predictive and actionable insights based on data from weather forecasts, competitor pricing, booking, personnel, sentiment, social activity, sensor data, and more, combined with historical data. You can instantly analyze time-sensitive data in the moment to optimize your complex operations and drive real-time business impact and enhance your customers' experience. These advanced and event-driven analytics can help you to unlock immediate insights and enable a dynamic pricing policy to enhance your revenues. GigaSpaces. Innovate with confidence.